You can't open accounts or start building credit. Make this your top priority to begin your financial journey in America. With your SSN or ITIN, your next move is to open a checking and savings account at a local bank or credit union. This is the bedrock of your financial life in the U.S. A bank account proves you're here and ready to participate in the economy. It creates a record of your financial activity, deposits, bill payments, and more. Building a relationship with your bank can help you later when you need loans or credit cards. Ask about newcomer programs and let them know you're serious about your financial future. Don't rush into applying for every credit card you see. Be strategic. Your goal: show you can borrow and repay responsibly. Start small, be consistent, and remember, your first year's actions shape your financial future. With your accounts open, you're ready to choose the right credit building tool. With the right approach, you'll see results within a year. To succeed, follow 3 goals. To empowered. You're in control. Go build your future.